And voila, y'all, just like magic, I'm back. I am back, y'all, with my hair done. What's good with it? What's the plan? So what's good with it? So guys, I'm currently at the store right now, trying to get some food to cook for tonight. We're gonna do some freaking hot wings and some loaded freaking fries. Okay, comment down below what type of hot wing sauce y'all use. Cause I think I'm gonna do the red hot or let me see, or the Texas Pete. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. But whatever I get, it's gonna be good. You know what a hot wing sauce. Okay, we're gonna do Texas Pete. Mild wings. If they want to make it real hot, we're gonna do the extra mild because I don't like all that hot. Yeah, if y'all don't like real too, like, if y'all don't like y'all hot wings too hot, use this. Yeah, it's good. It don't have that much heat in it or none of that. This is what I use. And if they want to make it hotter, they can put some Louisiana hot sauce in it. And Louisiana got some more type of hot sauce. What is it? It's a hotter hot sauce. So if you want it hot, you better throw you some dashes of this up in there. Yeah, I hope y'all can hear that music. Like I say, when I come to this store now, they want to play music, so. Let me see. I'm gonna get some celery. Cause y'all, I like celery now. I remember growing up, I hated celery. But now your girl be eating celery and ranch, and it's so good. I'm gonna get a stalk of celery. I don't want that one. I don't want that one either. Yeah, I got my smart, my fat son with me, so. Yeah, I know who it is. He got his haircut. Let me show y'all my baby. My baby got a haircut today. Let's show him your haircut. Stop eating. Show him the haircut. Show him that's good. He's showing out now. I gotta go home and wash his hair. Look at that. I gotta go home and wash his hair now. He's showing up. But yeah, this is what I got so far. He got all these darn juices. He got some chips. I got me some seafood. Yeah, I'm finna try these.
You do my walking.
I'm finna try these. This is my first time trying those.
You do my walking.
Then I got some crab legs. Now I gotta go to Walmart and get me some. Then I got some chicken. These little mixed-cut wings. I got 4 of those.
I got some chicken.
So I go to Walmart. So I gotta go to Walmart and get my colossal shrimps. I love those, y'all. Then I gotta get my butter and me some more seasoning for that. And that'll be that on that. But let me go ahead and what else on this? Oh, I gotta get some fries. Hold on, MJ, we gotta get some fries. You is so extra, you know that. Oh, they got some Chipotle aioli sauce. Comment down below if y'all tried that. Comment down below. Y'all, look. That look like it sounds good. Pineapple habanero sauce. Oh, I can put them on some wings or use that as a dip. I might have to look into that. I'm gonna make my seafood boil real soon. Probably when I get off work tomorrow. I don't know yet. But I know I'm gonna make it. Let me get some hot dogs. Cause I might do some chili dogs. Them some ugly ass wings. You stuck. Let me get you some sausage too. Get you some sausages since you love sausages. Them Texas meat sausage patties. Get some of that. Get some fries. This be 30 count. What is you laughing? Huh? Where your head? Hey. Okay, son, let's find some fries. I think I'm gonna do some steak fries. Okay, we're gonna do. Oh, here they go. Yeah, here they go. I'm gonna do some steak fries and some relish fries. You act like you don't want nothing. They be the first one up in there eating them. I'm gonna do some. Oh, that went up on them hot pockets. These folks gotta be ashamed of themselves. Yeah, the big and bold hot pockets are $4.74 over here at Food Outlet, and then number 2 of them in there. Sit down. That's too much. That is too much. Here. Put that down there. And you ain't gonna drink up my tea. You're not gonna drink up my teeth in your voice. When them bottles be sticky. MJ, please. Hey, Tanya. I'm fine. How about you? Come hey. Thank you, bad. Yeah. Hold on, let me get it right. I'm finna move. Stop it. Stop licking your tongue. Oh, we have mercy. Your tongue gotta hit that shell. Why you be licking your tongue out at folks all the time? What? No. You watch out, because why you keep licking your tongue out? Y'all, he done got to what? He just want to lick his tongue out at everybody. You ain't finna have me in this store fighting nobody. I ain't finna be fighting nobody.
I'll be mad.
What you mean you will be mad? Hell, I'll be mad. You ain't finna have me in jail. Yeah, I had to do that because I don't want to touch the freaking... I don't want to put that bag on my mouth. We kiwi salt. Hmm. Put it down. Don't put your mouth on. You know what? You gonna make me slap your mouth.
I know my
Well, get them out your way then. You always doing stuff. When your mouth became fly. When your mouth became that fly. What? What's so much fun, MJ? Just got to go get some. Sit down. And then I tell you, keep that off your mouth. It's nasty.